Welcome to 20EC 703 Embedded Laboratory. Today we are going to discuss about second experiment interfacing ADC and DAC. First we are going to see that interfacing ADC, analog to digital converter, how this program has to be communicate with the controller. So what are the steps need to follow and explore all the entire hex files into the controller. So that only we are going to discuss in this video. So we are just follow the steps and the same steps it will be coming into the up to that your 11th experiments also. So if you follow one experiment of the same steps, you don't worry about that particular steps and all, and you need to concentrate your programs only. Come. So now we are going to see the analog to digital converter. First click the new vision project and click file new, and afterwards click project new vision project. So go to D drive. In the D drive, you have to save your folder. So that folder name, it has comes in your program name itself. Then only you can easily identify the program whenever you have to need to follow that. So now you have to save the file, and afterwards it has come the target window. Click the NXP semiconductor. In that there will be having a various controller in that. We have going to select the LPC2148 there and click OK. And then finally, in the left hand side, the target window has created. In the target window, just you need to follow the steps. Here there will be adding the file source from the source group. .c file has created here. So then and there, this .c file has to be created only. The entire compiling process will be enabled. So in this .c file only, you are going to write a program clearly. So I just previously saved my program here. I just copy this program. Now I'm going to save it in my editor. I just save it. Now I'm going to translate and build all my entire project. So there is no error and zero warning here. So I need to click the target. So this target file has to created the X file here. So then only it is easily communicate to your controller. So click create a target X file. Now I just go to click the build all. So here there is a creating a X file. So this message has to come here. Then only we need to follow the further steps. And then I'm going to check all my C file and X files into my folder. I'm going to check my folder. See the entire C file and then X file all inside my folder. I just clicking this X file. See here, all the entire C program has converted into that XR format. Why this XR format only has to be communicate to controller means the controller has identified only the XR format. This is a development board. I just need to plug in my development board. See the connection clearly. Now I've just click on my development board. See three LED as glowing only, and then inside the LCD also glowing. Then only we are going to move to the further steps. So three interface, reset button here. Here there is a ADC. This is a bus interface unit. So it has a different connection for each and every program. So here I'm just giving a two bus interface unit. One is for ADC and another one is a debugger. This one is a debugger. So clearly mentioned that is a debugger. This one is a ADC and that one is a debugger. Okay. These two things I just connected here. This is a trim port. So after the execution, I just trim here. The value is changed. Now I just going to give a USB cable from my CPU to development board. So the LED is glowing perfectly. It is connected. I just go to click the flash magic. So here I'm going to select my LPC 2148. So this COM port where it has identified means go to computer properties and device manager. From the device manager, it has been a port there. This port COM3 has been created so that only in the COM port, the third one is I just chosen here. So oscillator 12 megahertz, baud rate 9600. Second step, we are going to click erase. So now I'm going to browse my program, that X file. I just click my X file here. So fourth step, verify after programming. And fifth step only, I'm going to start. All the entire things has been done only. I'm going to click the start button here. So here you have to see that entirely the finish has come here only. We are going to move on to the development board. So once finish has identified here, and then we move on to the development board. So just click this reset button and this reset button. There is three reset button for there. So you need to click this three reset button. So now the entire program is coming here, ADC, example one. So starting bit is 00. Now I just turn my potentiometer here. I just reset my entire value again. So again, so the value is changed here, 0483. So this is a program, correct one. I hope all of you have understand this program. Right.